it'd be good for you to talk a little bit about Simuli as a company and how you see the roadmap, actually, because I mean the choice to make a hardware company as a venue for sort of catalyzing development of your AGI software, it's either idiotic or inspired, right? Because I mean, there's a risk, because you're like, building AGI software is hard enough. Then building hardware is a whole other thing. And on the other hand, there's also some beautiful synergies there.
Yeah, well, it's definitely inspired, at least hopefully. So I guess it kind of it just came together with trying to solve this problem. And then when you have a compression chip, you're fundamentally changing the way that you compute information to compute more information per time. And that has a lot of impacts on just large scale computing in general, right? Just not even AI sector, AGI sector, just means you can crunch a lot of numbers a lot faster. Um, and so we've kind of focused on that first. So Simuli is working on that chip and tackling the big data computing industry first. Then will come AI, and then will come AGI. And the reason for that is that if you can crunch a lot of data at one point first, two things happen. One, you get your chip out there into the world where a lot of people are using it, and you learn how to make it better. And then two, now whatever AI system you build on top of that, or AGI system you build on top of that, can also compute a lot of large data at the same time with, low power, low memory resource or features. So um, that's kind of the direction we're headed in. And I think, hypervectors are traditionally thought of as analogous to neurons in the brain for the majority of people that work on them. But if you take a step back and just look at them from like just a core math perspective, it's a compression algorithm, right? And so we're capitalizing on that fundamental feature of hypervectors and the innovation first before we extend that to the intelligence side, which they have been demonstrated in a lot of research and academic papers to be quite good at.